How to use or pay with Clearpay on ASOS. Well, open up ASOS and start shopping. Add it to your bag first and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, it should ask you to enter in your delivery options here, payment options. Now first you'll have to add a portal address. Now for now, I'll just select the particular pick option here and select the store here to pick from. So as you can see, I've added my delivery address. Now here on payment method, what you want to do is you can choose here your particular payment option. You can choose credit or debit card or PayPal, and also here types of card. Now what you want to do is you can use your Clearpay card or select Clearpay as your payment method. Here it should pop up right here if it is available in your region, and you can proceed to checkout using Clearpay. So this is how you can shop online on ASOS using Clearpay. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.